Well, it's the May bank holiday weekend. We've been shopping this morning and this afternoon. It's a bit of gardening. So, I'm just going to show you this. So, we come out the gate and we're on the road. Now, it is a country road. There's a bit of a blind summit there at the crossroads. And as you can see, we have a racing track. Now, when we come out, there is an issue. And the issue is, if we're looking, so imagine that's the kind of view you get if you're sitting looking out the car window, making sure the road is clear before you turn. And I am going to trim up a wee bit of this camellia, get rid of these brambles, and hopefully we'll be able to see a wee bit better. So I've done my little bit and John is trying to bring this grass under control, and he's mowed quite a few rocks so far, so I would probably say it's not going particularly well. Now I know it doesn't look much difference, but trust me, that has been 2.5 hours mowing and a lot of the first going over was just picking up the trimmed grass that was trimmed the other day because it was too long to get the mower on. And while John's been doing that, I have been going around pulling all the brambles out. Thank God there wasn't much, but the ones that were there are minimum 6 foot, 8 foot long. So I think we will let the doggies out now. I'll go and close the gate, let the doggies out, and then it will be time for a chocolate ice lolly. So we're at the Flying Pig, which is the pub, and these are the pizza guys. Say hello, pizza guys. And just look at this freshly made, beautiful pizza. You can see the pizza oven in the background there. How great is this? And everyone's waiting. Lovely jubbly. So I'm doing a bit of gardening, and I asked John, I couldn't get a weed out, so I said to him, where's the garden spade? Can you come and dig this weed out for me? It's a wee bit too deep. Now we're doing whole scale remodelling of the garden, and oh my lord, are you really... For heaven's sakes. Right, so it's a stump of a tree that is mostly dead. Oh dear heavens. Oh my God, look at the size of that!
Here's the actress to the bishop.
Wow. So in case you're wondering whether I'm having a heart attack or I've got sunstroke, this is my normal face after I've been gardening for a few hours. For some reason I tend to go very red in the face, probably because I'm bending over a lot to get weeds out. So I have done 3 hours of weeding this morning. I've had enough. Well, whilst I've been waiting for someone to phone me about solar, which hasn't happened Naughty, naughty. John has been out and repaired this dry stone wall, which I don't know if there's been a traffic incident or it's just been time and neglect or badgers climbing over it or whatever, but he has restored it to the height it should be. And I just want to show you how glorious this is. I mean, yes, I will have to get out the road, but fabulous day, lovely countryside. I finished doing the weeding of that path, and it felt, I don't know, not a thankless task. I'm glad I've done it. But the thing is, you do one thing and then another thing happens as a consequence, so I can leave that like that. I've got this enormous bed here to weed, and there's a lot of bulbs in here. There's been daffodils, they've all gone to seed now, but these are hybrid bluebells, Spanish bluebells, not native ones, and there is a lot of them. So I'm thinking of taking out quite a few of them. I mean, they're nice, but it's just taking over. There's a lot of weeds in here, a lot of nice plants, but the trouble is you can't actually see the plants for the weeds and the overgrownness. Lily of the Valley, just gone over. I love this, I love this. And some peonies. There's a tree peony over there. There is a difference. So yeah, a lot of gardening to do, but it'll be worth it. So that's the back gate to our house. John has now told me that he's going to strim along the verge there. So that means I'll be gardening again. Cracking countryside. Just loving it. It's just so much more us. Look at this pine tree. That is a thing of beauty. Anyway, better go on. So it's been such a warm day. I mean, it's been really warm, and the dogs have been in a lot because it's just too warm, and we've been working all day, and we've decided in the cool of the evening to come out. So this is near Irongray, which is less than a couple of miles from us, and we've stumbled on this beautiful bluebell wood, and everybody is enjoying themselves. Daisy, are you enjoying yourself? Yes, she is. Poor old John, he's lamenting the fact that there is no beer garden. But how lovely is this? It's really pretty. And spotless, no litter. And this is a well-trodden path. People come here. And the good thing is that they have a respect, because nowhere is there any litter. And it's one of the things that we've been really impressed with Dumfries and Galloway. They take a pride in their countryside. And how lovely is that to stumble across? I don't know if we can get any closer. We can try. So you can tell by the noise that there's more to this waterfall than I'm showing you, so this is definitely somewhere for us to come back to when there's been some rain. Honestly, my phone just does not do this place justice. Absolutely amazing. And you can just see the bridge above it. Really need to come here with a better camera. So this is Irongray Church, which is on our way back home. So we thought we'd stop and just have a look. So there's a memorial stone. Oh God, look! Hello, girls! They've all come to say hello. You're not nosy. Right, we'll get to you in a minute, okay? We're doing this bit first. So, it's a memorial stone to celebrate the year 2000, and it's been carved by a local sculptor, but look at the detail! Isn't that just wonderful? Look, hares, not rabbits. The wee owl. Look, the wee bat.
Oh, there's all sorts of deer.
Absolutely wonderful. It's even a wee tractor. How fantastic is that?
The birds are on this end.
A lot of work in that. Very nice, very tasteful. Right, back to the cows. Alright, it's time for your close-up. You're all very nosy, you're all very young, aren't you? So, yes, I see you too. So these are all Holstein girls. And, are you girls? I don't know, you've got very girly faces. You've got a very girly face. Very nice. Anyway, we're going to look in the church. So, thanks for the big welcome. There's some fantastic stained glass, but as it's quite, well, it's about 7 o'clock in the evening, so the church is locked up. But we will come back. Nothing like seeing stained glass from the inside. So we've had a wee walk round and we're just about to toddle off back home, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful countryside. and how quiet it is. Lovely. Anyway, we'll come back here. See the stained glass. So I suppose technically this is our nearest church, I think. I'll check that out in the map. So thanks for coming along with me and enjoying seeing the countryside as we see it. It is a beautiful area and we are so pleased to be here. We're trying to work in the morning and go and do things in the afternoon, basically so that we have a little bit of a rest and to keep the momentum going to get things done. We have items that we're waiting to get delivered. We have phone calls with various people about the possibility of renewable energy. Not sure about that one. Watch a video in the future to see what we decide to do with that. And of course, we are renovating the house room by room as we go. So, lots to do. Hope you find it interesting and not too boring. Thank you to everyone who has commented on the videos. If you've got the possibility to hype the video, please do so. It really helps us reach other people. We'll love it when you like the video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, why not? It's free. And we love to chat to you online. Just have a look at some of the comments below the videos and you'll see that we don't just put a video up and leave it there. We do actually interact with you, our lovely viewers. So thank you very much and we'll see you next Sunday.